Can I help you? Can I help you?
Okay, go to the back of the patient and then one leg in between of the patient's leg. All right. Your body against the back of the patient's. Okay, and then show me your index finger. This is your index finger. Show me. Okay. Remove your hand. Remove. Show me your index finger. Locate for your for the navel of the patient. No, this one. Which one? Which one? Which hand do you want to use? Okay, you go. Okay, show me your index finger. Now locate for the in the navel. Okay, now on your other hand, show me your fisted hand. Fist. Make a fist and place it over your index finger. Yes. Now support your fisted hand. Remove and support your fisted hand now. Okay. Now I want you to perform in and up slowly. Okay? Do not put force. Yala. 1, 2, 3, go. In, up. In, up. One more. In, up. One more. In and up. Okay? Thank you. Next, change partners. On the side. On the side first, I want you to ask the patient if you can help. Okay? Ready, go.
Can I help you? Can I help you?
Okay. Go to the back of the patient. Your one leg in between of the patient's legs. And then your body against the back of the patient. Okay, and then show me your index finger. Okay, locate for the navel. On your other hand, show me your fisted hand. And then on the thumb side, put it over your index finger. Okay, good. Now, release your index finger and support your fisted hand. Alright. Now, perform in, up. Don't put force. One more. In, up. One more. In, and up. Okay, thank you.